Hey abundant parents, it's Leah. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways that I show my kids the law of attraction is at work in their lives. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please give it a like. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe. I post a new video at least once a week, sometimes more, so be sure to hit the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. One way I like to show my kids the law of attraction at work is through science. The discovery of mirror neurons really changed neuroscience. The cool thing about mirroring neurons is they actually fire the same whether you are actually doing an activity, you're performing the activity, or if you were just observing the activity. It was through this observation of mirror neurons that scientists were really able to dig deeper into how we react and respond to one another from a societal standpoint. And they're even linking mirror neurons to things like autism. So as you can see, mirror neurons can really impact how we are responding to other people. If other people are feeling bad and we are not using a lot of self-awareness, we can start to feel bad from our own mirror neurons firing off according to how these other people are feeling. So the second way that I show my kids the law of attraction at work is by step 1, teaching them about mirroring neurons, and then step 2, helping them to recognize their own feelings, recognizing if their feelings are their own or if they are mirroring the neurons of other people around them, if they are co-creating through those mirror neurons. This fact alone is why I'm constantly teaching my clients and parents to check in with themselves, to make sure that they are managing their self-care, they are managing the energy that they're putting out into the world, because their children are always watching them. Your children are always mirroring your neurons. The third way that I show my kids the law of attraction at work in our world is by playing little manifestation games. We will, on the drive home, maybe play a little game of deciding that we're going to see a penguin or a seashell, and then looking to see how long that manifestation takes to appear. Now, I have found as an adult, with all of my resistance and my judgments built up over time, it actually takes me quite a bit longer than my kids to manifest. I know when I'm manifesting something really light and playful, when we play games, it'll only take me a week to manifest it. But my kids will usually manifest within an afternoon when we are playing little manifestation games. The fourth way I show my kids the law of attraction at work is through how they feel and how the world around them responds to that. I definitely show them that there is such thing as waking up on the wrong side of the bed, but I also show them their power to shift that into a more positive experience. So again, teaching them to tune into their feelings, recognizing when they are falling down or following a path of negativity, and then giving them those tools to turn that negativity around, recognizing the emotional state that they are in, how it's impacting their day, how it's impacting the world around them, how it's attracting things into their life, and then teaching them to use that observation with loving non-judgment and to turn that around towards a positive acceptance of it and moving through it. We do have some really go-to quick fixes that we fall back on again and again and again. One of them is to keep our mind so busy with the task that we allow ourselves that time to separate and distance ourselves from the negativity. So that can be things like going outside, going on nature scavenger hunts. It can be things like cooking, where we have to read recipes and we are forced to really read and pay attention to the increments of measure. And so we don't have time for our brain to be bouncing around to negative thoughts. And then, of course, the way that we practice staying positive each and every day is through practicing gratitude, finding little things throughout the day to be grateful for. They don't always have to be grand. You can change your perception of the world around you through finding things to be grateful for, to find things to be blessed for, even if they're tiny. And the fifth way I show my kids the law of attraction at work in their lives is through demonstrating to them their power to create. This can be something very physical, like having an idea about a picture and then working through the picture and drawing it until it becomes a final product. The power to create in your kids can also be things like setting intentions for behaviors or events that they would like to happen, and then watching as those things unfold with the correct positive pressure towards those things. So an example of this would be setting the intention that you're going to have good interactions with your peers, and having your child go to school saying, I've decided I'm going to have good interactions with my peers, that they've set that intention. and then coming back at the end of their school day and talking to you about, they set the intention that that would happen, and it really impacted their perception on the day and how they were responding to things, and resulted in them having good interactions with their peers. So that is the 5 ways that I show my kids how the law of attraction is at work in their lives. You can find me at theabundantparent.com. I host workshops each month in my membership where I bring experts in their field to bring tools to parents to help them be the best possible parents that they can be. If you are into consciousness, mindfulness, a little bit of woo-woo, and you're always looking for new tools to bring into your parenting arsenal, you will love these workshops. The workshops are at theabundantparent.com. Thank you so much, and I'm wishing you a day full of light, love, and abundance.